Well, hello there, guys. It's me, Omkar. Today I'm going to make this puppet mask from Five Nights at Freddy's. For making this mask, we need some cardboard. Step 1, making base of the mask. Now cut and take two strips of that cardboard and stick it together like that. After that, use two strips, stick it horizontally and vertically. Now cover upper side of the mask with some strips. Just like that. For making the open mouth, I'm adding strips to lower side of the mask. Just like that. After that, now cover gaps with more strips. After that, cut some holes for eyes. Just like that. Now for making this mask stronger, I am taking more cardboard and more strips and stick it all over my mask. The puppet has like bump on his cheek. For making that, I am taking a normal paper and crumbling it and pressing it to give it a right shape. Just like that. Add more tape to make it a right shape. And I am crumbling and adding a paper on mouth also. For hiding the sharp edges. It just makes our mask look more clean. As you can see, after that, our base mask is now ready. Now, step 2, adding the paper mache. For making paper mache paste, take some glue and water. Mix it and your paper mache paste is now ready. Take some paper, crumble it and dip it in your paper mache paste and stick it all over your mask. Make sure to cover all over the mask. After adding paper mache paste, I'm adding white cement on my mask. If you don't have white cement, you can just add more layer of paper mache. I'm adding white cement because I want to make this mask harder and smoother. Now take white cement and add little bit of glue in it. And add water in it. And mix it until its consistency get not too wet, not too dry. And if you are going to use white cement, remember to use gloves. I'm not using gloves because I'm stupid. Now apply the white cement on your mask and cover all over the mask. After adding white cement to my mask, it will look like that. And honestly, it looks much cleaner and much better. Step 3. Sanding the mask. After adding white cement and paper mache on your mask, you have to sand your mask to look more clean. After sanding your mask will look like that. Step 4. For painting, I am going to use acrylic colors. After painting, our puppet mask is now ready. I know it's not that good, but you guys can make a way better than me. Well, thank you for watching, guys. If you like this mask, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY content. And tell me in comment section what should I make next. And sayonara, I guess.